Hey entrepreneurs, I'm Chris Sproul with Ego Digital, and you probably stumbled across this video because you are wondering how to set up a Facebook business page for your business or organization. In this video, I will be showing you step by step on how to do that. So stay tuned. Before you can sign up for your Facebook business page, you need to log into your personal Facebook account. Don't worry, the information from your personal account will not be publicly visible on your business page. So, if you're not already logged into your personal account, log in now. Okay, so first, we're going to sign up by going to facebook.com/pages/create. Enter your business information in the panel on the left. As you do so, the page preview will update in real time on the right. For your page name, use your business name or the name people are likely to search for when trying to find your business. For category, type a word or two that describes your business, and Facebook will suggest some options. Next, fill in the description field. This is a short description that appears in search results. It should be just a couple of sentences, maximum 255 characters. When you're happy with your description, click Create Page. Next, you'll upload a profile and cover images for your Facebook page. It's important to create a good visual first impression, so choose wisely here. Make sure the photos you choose align with your brand and are easily identifiable with your business. You'll upload your profile photo first. Your profile image should be 170 by 170 pixels. It will be cropped to a circle, so don't put any critical details in the corners. Now it's time to choose your Facebook cover image, the most prominent image on your page. This image should capture the essence of your business and convey your business or brand personality. Facebook recommends you choose an image that's 1640 by 856 pixels. Once you've selected an appropriate image, click Add Cover Photo. You can drag the images in the left column to adjust their position. When you're happy with your selections, click Save. Ta-da! Of course, while the skeleton of the Facebook page for your business is now in place, you've still got a lot of work to do before you share it with your audience. Click the blue box that says Add Button. Then choose which kind of button you want. If you don't want to complete all of these steps now, you can always access them later. To create your username, click Create Username on the page preview. Enter the name you want to use. Facebook will let you know if it's available. If you get a green check, you're good to go. Click Create Username. You'll get a confirmation pop-up. Just click Done. Next step, add your business details. Fortunately, Facebook makes this very easy to complete. Simply scroll down on your page, fill in the appropriate details here, starting with your website. If your business is open to the public during specific hours, make sure to enter those here. This information appears in search results. Next step, create your first post. Before you start inviting people to like the Facebook page for your business, you should post some valuable content. You can create your own posts or share relevant content from thought leaders in your industry. You could also create a specific type of post, like an event or offer. Just click one of the options in the create box at the top of your page. Now you need to get some followers. Start by inviting your existing Facebook friends to like your page. To do so, just scroll down to the bottom of the Set Your Page Up for Success box and expand the section called Introduce Your Page. Click the blue Invite Friends button to bring up a list of your personal Facebook friends. Select which friends you want to invite, then click Send Invites. Use your other channels like your website and Twitter to promote your new page. Add Follow Us logos on your promotional materials and email signature. If you're comfortable doing so, you can ask your customers to review you on Facebook too. To grow your audience quickly, you want to do this. Well, guess what, guys? That is all. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed this content, please give this video a thumbs up or a like. I would highly appreciate that. And if you would like to see future videos like this, please follow my page so you can be notified when I upload something new. I hope that I was able to impact your life in some shape or form, and have a great day.